Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Apriana. I'm from Information System 3 class. Now, I want to tell about a country that is Egypt. Okay, just go ahead. My Egypt. When they heard the name Egypt, everyone immediately remembered of the Nile River, the pyramids, and Cairo's Al-Azhar University. Well, that is our uniqueness Egypt. There are about 100 pyramids in the country which have become its own icon for Egypt. Egypt is a special country. There are always interesting things when we talk about this pyramid country, starting from the pyramid, tourist attraction, and education. Egyptian history. The Egyptians built one of the most extraordinary civilizations of ancient time. This civilization lasted for 3,000 years or 3,200 to 340 before Christ. Egypt was one of the most fertile areas in Africa and one of the most fertile countries in the Mediterranean. Because of its fertility, Egypt became one of the earliest places inhabited by humans, some 40 years ago. At first, there were not that many people in Egypt, but over time, Egypt became denser. So, a unified government was needed. For a time there were two kingdoms, called Upper Egypt to the south and Lower Egypt to the north. Around 3000 before Christ, at the beginning of the Bronze Age, the kings of Upper Egypt conquered the kings of Lower Egypt and made Egypt into a single kingdom called Egypt. The leader of this kingdom was a leader called Pharaoh. Pharaoh wielded immense power. The Egyptians considered the Pharaoh to be the god of Horus on earth. The Egyptians began build pyramids as top for pharaohs. Then in 2200 before Christ, there appeared to be a change in climate, and Egypt split into many smaller kingdoms. In 2040 before Christ, the pharaohs succeeded in reuniting Egypt to later establish the Middle Kingdom. But the pharaohs of the Middle Kingdom were not as strong as the pharaohs of the Old Kingdoms. During the Second Middle Period, the Hyksos from the north invaded Egypt and temporarily controlled Lower Egypt. Around 1500 before Christ, Egyptian pharaohs from Upper Egypt succeeded in expelling the Hyksos and reuniting Egypt in a state called the New Kingdom. Finally, around 660 before Christ, the Umayyad troops who invaded Egypt succeeded in conquering this region and making Egypt part of the Islamic Caliphate, replacing Roman rule in Egypt. Egyptian politics. Egypt is the official name of the Arab Republic of Egypt. This country has been in the form of a republic since the 18th of June 1953 and its capital is Cairo. Muhammad Hosni Mubarak has served as president of Egypt for 5 terms since the 14th of October 1981. Power in Egypt is governed by a multi-party semi-presidential system. Theoretical executive power is divided between the president and prime minister, but in practice power is concentration on the president, who has been elected in election with a single candidate. Egypt also had multi-party parliamentary election. At the end of February 2005, President Mubarak announced change to the rules of the presidential election leading to multi-candidate elections. For the first time since 1952, the Egyptian people had the opportunity to elect a leader from a list of various candidates. On the 4th of July 2013, the commander of the Egyptian Armed Forces, General Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, announced a revolution to secure Egypt, aimed at overthrowing Mohamed Morsi. Morsi himself is Egypt's first democratically elected president. On the 3rd of June 2014, the Egyptian Election Commission announced the former Egyptian General Abdel Fattah al-Sisi was elected president after winning the Egyptian election in May 2014. Egyptian geography. Egypt is a country that is mostly located in northern Africa. Egypt is classified as a developed country in Africa. Egypt is the 30th largest country in the world, with an area of about 1,001,450 square kilometers. Egypt covers the Sinai Peninsula, considered part of Southwest Asia, while most of its territory is located in North Africa. Egypt is bordered by Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, the Gaza Strip, and Israel to the northeast. It is bordered with the water east of the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Red Sea to the east. Most of the land is part of the Sahara Desert, which is rarely inhabited. Population condition. Egypt is the most populous Arab country in the world with around 95 million people due to its extreme and arid climate. Most of the population is concentrated along the narrow Nile Valley and the Nile River Delta. About 99% of the population of Egypt occupies the region of the Nile Basin, especially Alexandria and Cairo, and along the Nile Delta near the Mediterranean Sea and near the Suez Canal. The indigenous tribes of Egypt are a nomadic tribe from the Sahara Desert, Africa. The majority of Egyptians live on the bank of the Nile, about 40,000 square kilometers. The majority of Egypt's population adheres to Islam while the rest are Coptic Christians. The Egyptians have a unique character. For people who live in hot areas and rarely rain, it is only natural for them to be temperamental, emotional, angry, and have a high tone of voice. For example, when they fight, even though the problem is trivial, no one wants to lose. So that there is a war of words that could not be avoided and they are not half-hearted. But keep in mind that here they are only arguing while their hands and feet are silent. Instantly, a chain after the argument is over as if the argument has never happened. There is silence again as before. The most interesting thing about Egyptians is their hobby of giving. It seems that the Egyptian people are number one in the world. People who are constantly praying at all times. Their character is temperamental, but there are good values and they cover their shortcomings. Ramadan is the time when their side of Prophet Musa comes out, where everyone is competing to give food to people who are fasting. Egyptian economy. Egypt's economy is heavily dependent on agriculture, media, petroleum export, natural gas export, and tourism, and there are also more than 3 million Egyptians working abroad, mainly in Saudi Arabia, the Persian Gulf, and Europe. The completion of the Aswan High Dam in 1970 and the resultant Lake Nasser have produced the all-time record place of the Nile in the agriculture and ecology of the Egyptian state. a rapidly growing population, limited agricultural land, and all dependence on the Nile continue to strain resources and stress the economy. Livelihood in Egypt is varied. There are those who work as teachers, traders, employees in office. Egyptian education. Egypt is an amazing source of knowledge. Egypt is also called the city of science. The modern education system began to enter Egypt during the reign of Muhammad Ali Pasha. He was an illiterate man, but he understood the importance of education and science for the progress of a country. To assist him in developing education and science, he founded the Minister of Education. First, he founded a military school, then founded a technical school and medical school, and his teachers were brought in from the West. In addition, he also sent his students to study in Europe to study various kinds of science and technology that developed there. The schools that were later built were a medicine school or pharmacy, a mining school, an agricultural school, and a translation school. These schools were very different from the previous madrasas, which only teaches religion in the development of the education system in Egypt until the independence period. Egypt is the country that first established a university, namely Al Azhar University, the oldest university in the world. A number of great figures were born from this university, whether it is scholars, ministers, presidents, weathers, medical experts, and astronomy. Egypt also has several very reliable tertiary institutions which are in great demand by students in various countries, including many higher education students in Egypt from America, Canada, Malaysia, England, including students from Indonesia. Students from Indonesia are interested in Al Azhar University in Cairo. Egyptian natural beauty. Egypt is one of the oldest countries in the world. It is more than 5,000 years old, so that it has a culture and civilization that is much more diverse than other civilizations. Egypt is famous for its ancient civilization and some of the greatest ancient monuments in the world, such as the Pyramid of Giza at Giza. The Sphinx Giza display Valley of the Kings, the Red Pyramid, the Saqqara Pyramid, the city of Memphis, ancient Egyptian city, the Temple of Karnak, the Valley of the Kings, and the Temple of Ramses. And this is not found in other countries. The proof that Egypt was one the most developed country in the whole earth because the country was able to create masterpieces like the pyramid and sphinx at the birthplace of one of the greatest civilizations in human history. Egypt is home to many amazing man-made wonders that have stood the test of time. Now, Egypt is widely recognized as a major cultural and political center in the Arab region and the Middle East. The pyramid is an iconic building synonymous with Egypt. One of the most famous is the Pyramid of Giza, as the number one of tourist destination in Egypt. The pyramid is reportedly designing change in governance and facilities. Changes are made when this tourist attraction closed because the COVID-19 pandemic. What change will be made to the Pyramid of Giza? Reporting from Lonely Planet near the 4,500 years old Giza Pyramid, it plans to open new cafes, restaurants, lounge, and tourism centers to make it more tourism friendly. This is part of the Wall Grid makeover. The additional facility space name is Nine Pyramid Lodge and is located at the southern end. Although this site is easily accessible to tourists, the Pyramid of Giza does not always look like a luxurious place to relax in the middle of the desert. However, with the new Lodge Ladder Pyramid of Giza will look like a pleasant place to relax and refresh after being satisfied with seeing the wonder of the world. The Nine Pyramid Lodge is the first part of the grand overhaul scheme of the Pyramid of Giza. In addition, it is planned that other facilities will also be built, namely a visiting center, cinema, public toilets, sign posts at various points, food truck, food for taking pictures, then free Wi-Fi. In addition, the ticket system will be updated, allowing visitors to purchase via the application. They will also take a shuttle bus as they circle the Pyramid of Giza complex. Horses and camels, which are used as leading animals, will be trained in handling visitors. In addition to the Pyramid of Giza, which will be refurbished, the Grand Egyptian Museum will also open near the pyramid in 2021. Thousands of artifacts will be displayed at the Grand Egypt Museum after it is inaugurated in early 2021. The Grand Museum of Egypt will amaze the whole world. A group of artifacts are moved from the Egyptian Museum in Tahrir Square and other museums to be placed in a storage laboratory for antiques, and 60,000 artifacts will be on display in the museum. As well as this museum will include treasures that have not been exhibited before. Egyptian archaeologists say that the Grand Egypt Museum is the most important in the global cultural project of the 21st century and will be the largest museum in the world. He said the interior design and antiques display in this museum will attract tourists. Visiting the Grand Museum of Egypt will be a different and unique cultural experience because the antiques will be displayed in a different way from other museums. The Grand Egypt Museum will be a major tourist attraction newly opened in 2021, where the country of Egypt will benefit from marketing tourism. For you antiques lovers, you should come to this museum to enjoy a collection of Egyptian antiques that will give you the experience of traveling to various places in the past and increasing knowledge about Egyptian history. There are also several Egyptian natural attractions that are very interesting to visit, which will provide a wonderful experience throughout life. You had better visit Egypt as a vacation spot at the end of the year to enjoy the beauty of the tour. Egypt is the perfect place to spend hours traveling, such as Siwa Oasis then the natural springs in Egypt now as Cleopatra's Boat and the beautiful Fatnas Island which also has some very shooting natural springs as well as protected areas that surrounds the highest mountain in Egypt, Mount Catherine, now Saint Catherine National Park. Then there is Marsh Alam, a city located in the southern part of Egypt overlooking the Red Sea. This is a coastal area the most beautiful place in Egypt. And Egypt's most talked about natural attraction is the world famous Nile River, which is now the longest river in the world. The 6,800-kilometer stretch of the bend of the Nile played a very important role during the formation of ancient civilizations. The Nile River is one of the most iconic natural water sources in the world. Those are some of the conversations of this Egyptian state, a country filled with pomp, luxury, and greatness. And thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.